If you've ever been annoyed by unexpected call drops on your iPhone, not the only one. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that call dropping issue. Let's jump right in and get started. Solution 1. Change cellular settings. To do this, open the Settings app. Then tap on Cellular or Mobile Service or Mobile Data from here. Now tap on Cellular or Mobile Data options. Then tap on Voice and Data and select either 5G or 4G. Next, go back to the previous settings menu and tap on Network Selection. After that, toggle off and on the automatic option from here and go back to the previous settings page. Now, tap on Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. Once you are done with this, check if the problem is solved. Solution 2. Turn on and off airplane mode. To do this, swipe from the left side of your iPhone settings to bring up the control center. Now, toggle on airplane mode from here and wait for 15 seconds. After that, toggle it off and check if that helped with the issue. Solution 3. Turn on settings interrogation. For this one, open the dialer or phone app. Next, tap on the keypad from the bottom bar. Now, put *#31# and dial that number, and this menu should pop up. Now, it should show that settings interrogation succeeded and calling line restriction disabled. Now, tap the dismiss button and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. To do this, open up Settings. Tap on General. Now, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. After that, hit Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. Your network settings will be reset, hopefully resolving the issue. That's how you can fix the issue of dropped calls on your iPhone. If this video helped you solve the problem, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.